Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the drinking water. It is February 9th, 2021. And today, nobody else but my niece, Dima, made my day and my month and my year. Okay. We're going to talk about the Christmas card she sent me back in December. I don't know, maybe even November. Okay. You're about to see a video. No, you're going to see two videos. One is Dima receiving her Christmas card back in Thessaloniki because it has been returned by Canada Post, and you know me and Canada Post, because there was no apartment number on the envelope. Okay, so please have a look at Dima first, and then today when our mailman arrived, mailman anonymous, I'm not going to tell you his name, but when he came, I asked him what happened. So you're going to see my conversation with our mailman. Okay, speaking of Dima, self-portrait number 2. Tell me if this is not Dima after you see the video. I just cannot tell you. I love you, sweetheart. Okay, this was hilarious. Okay. And then you can see the video from the beach. This was so funny. I mean, and so sad because, I mean, I didn't get it, right? But the whole story. And look at the card itself. Ira, the dog is in the card. Okay. I am totally hyper. I'm so happy that Dima is my niece. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow is already Wednesday. Yes, today, did I say it's the 9th of February? I'm checking. I'm careful now with the calendar.
Alma, my love, I love you so much. Here's a little video from me because your Christmas card that I sent you to Canada came all the way back to Greece because I didn't put your unit number. Also check out these. I mean, you get a post stamp of literally an octopus on a plate, so that's something else, isn't it? But let me show you what you were supposed to get. The big unpackaging here. Ta-da! This is your Christmas card. It comes with these tiny little pegs and a little rope for you to hang it wherever you want. And then you also get a sticker of my dog Ira for you. And then that's the Christmas card, which I obviously made myself. Can't you tell? It's got I only had one paintbrush, so I had to apply every color one by one. And then here's the back where I had to stick this piece of paper on with the supplies that I had, because who makes black Christmas cards that they can then not write on? This guy. And that's it, my love. Next Christmas, I'm gonna get your address right, and you will definitely get your Christmas card. I love you so much. Mwah. Love you from Greece. Bye.
Good morning. I didn't get my Christmas card from Greece because you returned it because there was no apartment number. Like, look how many you have here. Why didn't you leave it without an apartment number? Look, you're leaving this for people who don't live here. So what's your explanation? Okay. You returned my Christmas card from Greece because it had no apartment number.
Okay, no apartment number.
What do you mean no problem? All the way back to Greece. So why didn't you leave it here like you leave these other cards and letters?
I cannot live here.
Okay, why? Just because it didn't have an apartment number, it had to go all the way back to Greece?
I have no apartment number.
Yeah.
I got to send it. This is the room.
But look, you just left this over there with no apartment number.
No apartment number.
Okay, That's not right. Apologize to my niece. What did you say?
Post customer service.
Oh my God.